Hello, student. Good morning. Now, life on the Earth, Chapter 6, Solution. At first, the correct option. Which one of the following is treated to ecological balance? Then, our right answer is population growth. Question number 2. Taiga is. Taiga is a softwood tree. Option C. For the preservation of varied plant and animal life, the government has set up various एनिमल्स लाइफ और प्लांट्स को सेव करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया है, तो बहुत सारे नेशनल पार्क्स बनाए. मूस एंड लीचन्स आर. मॉश और लीचन क्या है, तो मॉश एंड लीचर आर कॉमनली फाउंड वेजिटेशन इन अ पोलर रीजन. वो कॉमनली फाउंड वेजिटेशन है जो कि कहाँ पाया जाता है, तो पोलर रीजन पे पाया जाता है. नंबर ए. The temperate grassland of North America are called, the temperate grassland of North America is called prairies. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks. The first form of life on the earth appear in the dash belong to flora world, water bodies. The living zone of the planet earth is known as biosphere. The human being who first appeared on the earth were known as Homo sapiens. The taiga vegetation is also known as coniferous forest of the biosphere. The plant prepare their own food and are known as food factory of biosphere. Then true or false? In the grassland, the number of animal is less as compared to those in the equatorial forest. True. Okay. Afforestation cause rise in the population's level in the atmosphere. True. Tiger and lion are the endangered species in the India. False. Pampas are the temperate grassland in Australia. True. Pampas in Australia. Insects eating animals are most commonly found in the dense forest of the equatorial region. Yes. Then answer the following question in brief. Name the major types of vegetation of the world. The major types of vegetation क्या है? The major types of vegetation of the world are forest, grasslands, bushes and shrubs. Name the some common plants found in cold and hot desert region of the world. Cactus, shrubs and bushes are found in the hot desert and moss and lichens are found in the cold desert. Then what are the major components of ecosystem? Ecosystem का major components क्या है? Plant, animal and humans are the major components of ecosystem. Give some example of trees having needle shaped leaves. The main trees have needle shaped leaves are pine, fir or spruce. Why do animal in the polar region have thick fur on their bodies? Thick fur protect them for extreme cold of the polar region. Thick fur जो रहता है वो उनको extreme cold से बचाता है. Then answer the following question. Why are equatorial forests known as evergreen forest? Give a few example of a tree found there. Equatorial forest को evergreen forest क्यों कहा जाता है? कुछ example देने हैं tree के. The equatorial forests are called evergreen forest because they did not shed their leaves, although in a particular season and look green throughout the year. पूरे साल भर ये हरे दिखते हैं. Some trees found there are mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber and cinchona. And question number 2. What role do plants play in ecological balance? Plants ecological balance में किस तरह का रोल प्ले करते हैं? Plant keep ecological balance by providing oxygen to living organism and absorb carbon dioxide released by them. Oxygen is also necessary for fire, which provides heat and food. Plant also a big source of shelter for many organisms and important parts of food chain with an ecosystem. यहाँ पे हमें डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन ट्रॉपिकल एंड टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड को अलग अलग करना है, उनका डिस्टिंग्विश करना है, डिफरेंस करना है. ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड लोकेटेड बिटवीन द इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट एंड हॉट डेजर्ट इन बोथ हेमिस्फीयर. दोनों हेमिस्फीयर में पाए जाते हैं. दिस ग्रासलैंड रिसीव about 100 centimeter rainfall. The grasses of these regions are very rough, thick and tall. And other hand, temperate grassland located in the temperate zone in the interior part of the continents. These grasslands receive about 25 to 75 centimeter rainfall. They receive snowfall also. The grasses of this region are short and soft. Then, difference between hot and cold desert. Hot desert, it can be defined as a dry, often sandy region of a little rainfall, extreme temperature, low humidity with very dry wind blowing and sparse vegetation can be considered as hot desert. Example, Sahara. हॉट डेजर्ट का एग्जाम्पल क्या है, सहारा है. और कोल्ड डेजर्ट, they can be defined as the desert that experience low temperature and long winter can be considered as cold desert. Example, Ladakh. Then, what are the various problems related to ecological imbalance? What steps should we take in to solve them? Promotion of afforestation, ban of hunting of animals and reproducing the poaching of wildlife, reducing the human caused disturbance and limiting the flow of toxic water to the river and the lake and the ocean bodies, and also to stop the degradations of the soil and reducing the deforestation process. Okay, thanks for